pastime of Raghunath Das Goswami and Nityananda Prabhu. This story narrates the ecstatic love of God and his benevolence towards his devotees. Srila Raghunath Das was born in 1495 in Krishnapur near Saptakam. His father was a wealthy, opulent zamindar, Govardhan Majumdar, whose family's affluence and prosperity were equivalent to that of Deva Indra. Raghunath Das was their only son, so naturally they put all their hopes in him to carry on the family dynasty. But Raghunath Das, from a young age, was attracted to Lord Chaitanya. And after getting association of Haridas Thakur, he was hankering to meet Mahaprabhu in Neelachal. But his parents would not allow him. So now let's dive into the pastimes of Raghunath Das Goswami's life.
Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. O Gauranga, it's been a year since I had your darshan. These pangs of separation are tearing my life away. O Gauranga, I cannot bear this anymore. Oh Gaurachandra, I must leave this place somehow, some way, immediately. How do I leave from here? Hare Krishna, Krishna. This door? No, I can't take this. That guard is sleeping there. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare. Where else do I escape? I can exit through this way. I'll just see if there is anybody. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama.
Raghunath! Where is this Raghunath Das? Hey guards! Catch him!
Leave me! Oh please, let me go see my Lord Gaurachandra.
Raghunath Das, please try to understand. You are a family man. Raghunath, this has become daily affair. Our son has become mad. Bind him with ropes.
Raghunath Das has opulence like Indra, the heavenly king, and his wife is as beautiful as an angel. Yet his mind is not captivated. How can we bind him with ropes then? Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has fully bestowed his mercy upon our son. Who can keep at home such a madman of Sri Chaitanya Prabhu?
But my son.
Please let me go. Let me go see my Lord. Oh Gauranga, let me please go. Leave me. Can I go, please?
What can I do now? My son has become mad. In his mind, and the next day he went to Nityananda Gosai in the village of Vanihatti to meet Nityananda. Sitting upon a rock by the side of Ganga, the Lord Nityananda appeared to be as effulgent as thousands of rising suns. There were innumerable devotees surrounding Lord Nityananda.
Lord Nityananda, is this really you? I cannot believe my eyes.
There is Raghunath Das offering you obeisances.
You are a thief, Raghunath. Now you have come to see me? Come here, come here. Today I shall punish you, Raghunath.
No, not me, Prabhu.
Come here, Raghunath. Come here. You are just like a thief, Raghunath. For instead of coming near, you stay away at a distant place. Now that I have captured you, I shall punish you today.
Yes, Prabhu. Whatever you shall do with me.
Raghunath Das, make a festival and feed all my associates yogurt and chipped rice.
Yes, my Lord Nityananda, I will do it immediately. Haribol, where are my servants? Arrange all kinds of eatables to be brought here. Send a word that a festival is going to be arranged here.
Jai Ho! Jai Ho! Nityananda Prabhu ki Jai!
My lord, here are the 400 large pots and 7 special pots that I've brought for you.
Hari bol, Hari bol.
Haribol, now soak all the chipped rice in hot milk. And you, half of the rice, mix with yogurt, sugar and bananas. And you, the other half, soak it in condensed milk, sugar, clarified butter and champakela.
Hari bol, Hari bol.
Jai Ho! Jai Ho! Nityananda Prabhu ki Jai!
Raghunath, listen. Offer everybody 2 earthen pots. One with chipped rice and yogurt and another with condensed milk.
Hari! Hari Hari! Nityananda Prabhu ki Jai!
Raghav Pandit, what have you bought?
Hare Krishna Prabhu, I am amazed to see this wonderful festival for your pleasure. It is indeed amazing. So many innumerable people have gathered to take part in the festival. For you, sir, I have already offered food to the deity. But as you are engaged in the festival, the food is lying untouched.
Raghav Pandit, let me eat all this food here now, and I shall eat at your home in the night. I belong to a community of cowherd boys. I have many cowherd associates. Thus, I am happy when we eat together in a picnic like this by a sandy bank of river. Come here. You also sit with me. Haribol, Haribol. Serve Raghav Pandit also some dahi chida. Oh my beautiful Lord Gaurasundar. Please appear and accept all these offerings. For without you, everything is incomplete for me. Gauranga, Gauranga, Gauranga. Oh my beautiful Lord Gaurasundar, you have appeared. I remembered you and you are here. Lord Chaitanya, you are here. Hari bol! All of you eat, chanting the names of Hari Hari, Hari Hari, Hari Hari.
अज गौरांगेर नाम रे भज गौरांग कह গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে যেই জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হয় আমার প্রাণ রে যেই জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হয় আমার প্রাণ রে ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ অহ গৌরাঙ্গ অহ গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ অহ গৌরাঙ্গ অহ গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে
Oh, Mahaprabhu is here. Jai Gaura Hari, Jai Gaura Hari. Nityanand brought him by his prayers and meditation.
What Nityananda Prabhu is doing? The gypsies is floating in the air.
Who can understand the influence and mercy of Nityanand Prabhu? He is so powerful that he induced Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to come eat chipped rice on the bank of Ganges.
গৌরাঙ্গ ভজিলে গৌরাঙ্গ জপিলে হয় দুঃখের অবসান রে গৌরাঙ্গ ভজিলে গৌরাঙ্গ জপিলে হয় দুঃখের অবসান রে ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ অহ গৌরাঙ্গ লহ গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ অহ গৌরাঙ্গ লহ গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে
Pandit Raghunath Das Goswami surrendered to Nityananda Prabhu and begged him for his mercy. Nityananda Prabhu blessed him that Gaur Sundar has accepted his fees personally. Now, further, Lord Nityananda Prabhu said, "Rest assured now, for all the impediments meant for your bondage were gone. The Lord accepted you and placed you under the charge of his secretary Swarup Damodar. You thus became one of the most influential internal servants and attained shelter at the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Be assured and return to your home. Very soon all your impediments will be over." Raghunath Das also offered 100 gold coins and about 2 tolas of gold to Raghav Pandit for the service of Vaishnavas. He returned home, but Raghunath thought deeply about how to escape there. Was constant vigil over him, and one night he was sleeping on the Durga Mandapa. The priest Yadunandan Acharya entered the house. Yadunandan Acharya was the priest and spiritual master of Raghunath Das. One of Yadunandan Acharya's disciples had been worshipping the deity but had left that service. Yadunandan Acharya wanted Raghunath Das to induce the disciple to take up that service again.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All the devotees are going to take darshan of Lord Gauranga. This time I have to somehow escape, but I surely cannot accompany the devotees, else I'll get caught again by my father. Oh, Guru Maharaj, I'm blessed to have you here. Please instruct me. How can I serve you?
Raghunath Das, please do me a favor. One of your god brothers has refused to follow his service of worshipping the deity. Please convince him to resume his services.
Yes, Guru Maharaj. I shall convince him to take up his service. You may go home without anxiety. I shall persuade him and send him to your home. Please bless me.
May Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's blessings be upon you.
Yes. This is the opportunity. I have to somehow escape this way, because this time there are no servants or watchmen with me. How do I escape? Oh Gauranga, oh Nityananda Prabhu, please bless me to somehow get out of this place. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. How do I escape? Not this door. Hare Krishna, nobody is watching me. Hare Krishna. Yes. If I escape this way, I'll not get caught. Hare Krishna.
Thus, Raghunath fled from home. He gave up the general path from village to village and took the jungle route so that he would not be traced by anyone.
Raghunath! Raghunath! Hey, where is this Raghunath?
Yadunanda Acharya was there, and maybe he has gone to their home.
Listen, immediately go and inquire from him.
Yes. Sir. Raghunath is not there. And by his permission, by Yadunandan Acharya said that by his permission has returned home.
Raghunath has gone? Oh no! Which means he has escaped. I know. The devotees from Bengal have gone to Puri to see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And I'm sure this Raghunath has fled with them. Listen, immediately send 10 men to catch him and you go for search.
Yes, sir.
And I shall write a letter to Shivananda Sen to return my son. I don't know what to do with this boy.
What? My son has gone again. What will I do now? Raghunath, why did you leave me? Please somehow bring him back to me. I want my son.
Our son Raghunath has gone.
The 10 men returned disappointed. Sivananda Sen replied that Raghunath Das did not come there. The parents were filled with great anxiety. Meanwhile, Raghunath ran, not caring about eating and resting. He chewed some grains, drank some milk to keep his life and soul together. After 12 days, he reached Jagannath Puri.
My Lord, Gaurasundar, finally I have come to you, leaving behind all my attachments, my family, my home, everything. I have come to you, O Gaurachandra.
My dear Lord Chaitanya, look there. Raghunath Das has finally come to your shelter.
Hari, hey Raghunath, you have come, my dear. Come to The mercy of Lord Krishna is stronger than anything else. Therefore, the Lord has delivered you from the ditch of materialistic life. O Gauranga, I do not know who Krishna is. I just know it is all your mercy. You have saved me.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ki jai, Nityananda Prabhu ki jai, Raghunath Das ki jai.